Jill Wiseman presents Jill After Dark.
Welcome, friends, to Jill Wiseman After Dark. This is a new channel I'm starting at the request of some of you guys out there. After 10 years of filming YouTube videos, I have lost count of how many people have come up to me and told me that they find the sound of my voice very soothing. They even play my beading videos to go to sleep to the sound of my voice. So for all of you out there who have done this, or think that that might be a good idea, we're going to start this new channel, Jill Wiseman After Dark. Make yourself comfortable. Light a candle, get a little bit of wine, get all cozy in your blanket, and let's talk beading. Today I'm going to read to you the instructions for the Monte Carlo necklace by Jill Wiseman. Copyright 2017, all rights reserved. Supply list: size 11 delicas, 4 grams. Size 11 seed beads, 10 grams. Size 15 seed beads, 5 grams. 32 by 17 millimeter Swarovski navette, article 4227, 1. 15 by 7 millimeter Preciosa navette, 6. 15 by 7 millimeter navette settings, 6. 3 millimeter bicones, 110. You'll need a clasp of your choice. I used Fireline 6-pound test. You can use a size 10, 11, or 12 beading needle. Bezeling without pain. I adore a good sparkle, and all the specialty Swarovski stones out there call my name, but I disliked having to bezel them to the point where you would cover up most of the sparkle. So when I discover settings for many of the stones which have holes for us bead weavers to utilize, I knew I was going to have a new addiction. The joy of a setting means that we don't have to bezel over the top of the stone to secure it. We secure it in our beadwork using the holes on the bottom of the setting. This allows us to use smaller stones than we have been able to in the past. We will be using set stones for the small navette components, and I'll show you how to set them in the settings yourself. Can you imagine a whole bracelet of these components? Or a necklace? Guess what I'm making for myself? A dainty chain allows the front of the necklace to be the star without being too long.